Selected by the world's most trusted culinary organization. This is the ultimate ranking of the 100 greatest beef dishes worldwide.
Comment below and tell us the dish you've tasted or dream of trying. Your vote decides the flavor that rules them all.
Subscribe and share to get secret recipes and discover more world-class dishes. Your global culinary adventure starts here.
Ribeye, rich, decadent, melting with every slice. T-bone, tuejos, the muscle and myth of American fire.
Prime rib sizzling. Prime rib tender. Tender, aromatic, royally indulgent.
Brisket ting, the soul of Texas. Slow and true. And true. Tenderloin, elegance in every silken thread. Stroganoff, smooth, creamy, irresistibly savory. Philly day, molten, beefy, unstoppable. Chili tab, rich, hearty, southern heat. Bourguignon is cesse, elegant, profound, like fine wine. Burger, crispy, juicy, irresistible. Wellington, perfection, layer by layer. BBQ, sweet smoke, deep umami. Beef tacos, color and crunch in every bite. Fajitas, festival of color and fire. Meatballs and rest, the red jewel of comfort. Beef ribs, melting, fiber by fiber.
Burritos all days, grilled flavor wrapped in cheese.
Jerky die, smoky sweetness that lingers. Mongolian beef, add sweet, spicy, high heat harmony. Beef stew bias, slow, warm, made with love. Lasagna multi, rich, sweet, silky in every layer. Beef ragu, deep, slow, symphonic. Shawarma, aromatic, wild, desert-born. Carpaccio man's elegant, pure, electric. Pot pie, homely, hearty, healing.
Smoked sausage zed, primal, peppery, profound.
Bone soup, clean, sweet, like home. Casserole, simple, saucy, satisfying. Empanadas, crispy, savory, soulful. Filet. Refined to silence.
Tartare saint, bright, bold, sensual.
Teriyaki bowl poulet, harmony in glaze.
Beef curry nuso, warm, vibrant, hypnotic.
Beef sushi. Delicate, modern, emotive.
Slider, small frame, huge flavor.
Ramen, aromatic, rich, deeply savory. Faux ball, clean, sweet, dawn delicate. Satay, spicy, fragrant, captivating. Goulash, robust, Eurobust, European depth.
Burrito bowl, hearty, punchy, alive. Steak and mushroom pie, rogue tricks, rustic, forest warmth.
Pepper steak, 10. Punchy, polished.
Stroganoff burger, creamy, unique, addictive. Chili nachos, explosive flavor, crunchy layers. Bulgogi dale, tender, sweet, soulful.
Kebab's knee. Kebabs in sun, vibrant summit on a stick. Roast beef sandwich, classic, elegant, refined.
Beef and broccoli détesé, crisp, savory, and irresistible. Man, New York strip glints, sharp, powerful, quintessential.
Tomahawk, power seared to perfection.
Flatiron Santiago, tender, juicy, unexpected life.
Shepherd's pie, a hearth in every bite.
Ropa vieja con es slow, soulful, Cuban heart.
Corned beef, Irish warmth reborn. Chimichanga, crackle, melt, crave.
Salisbury deli, comfort coated in velvet.
Rendang dangtum, thyme, spice, and perfection.
Swedish meatballs, smooth, tender, timeless.
Au poivre, French fire, refined.
Hanger, secret cut, pure flavor.
Carne asada, fiesta on flame.
Ball look like East meets heat.
Fiorentina, Italy's raw passion.
Galbi Jejim Sao, tender royalty. Sloppy Joe, the sweet, smoky nostalgia.
Italian beef, juicy, loud, Chicago soul.
Kofta high, spiced, smoke, divine.
Sauerbraten Witnisches, sweet sour symphony.
Stuffed peppers, color that comforts.
Massaman, gentle fire, royal depth.
Picanha churrasco perfection.
Guinness stew. Res. Deep, rich, heartfelt. Oxtail soup, collagen comfort.
Birria, dip, bite, fall in love.
Liver and onions, heritage on a plate. Lo mein, fast, glossy, unforgettable. Beef parasil, sweet comfort of the islands. Barley soup riz, hearty, humble, healing. Beef fried rice, simple, savory, sizzling. Enchiladas, saucy, cheesy, pure joy. Negimaki, sweet, precise, elegant. Steak Diane, flair, flame, finesse. Chicken and fried steak, crisp, creamy, country comfort. Rouladen, rustic love rolled tight. Texas chili, all fire, all flavor. Denver same, bold, buttery, new classic.
Stir-fried snap, stir-fried, speed, smoke, satisfaction.
Picadillo, sweet meets savory.
Katsugan, crisp shell, tender soul.
Sukiyaki, soft, sweet, communal warmth.
Kubideha, fragrant, juice, Persian pride.
Bibimbap, balance in every bite.
Chow Fun Play, smoky street magic.
Barbacoa, tender smoke of Mexico.
Croquettes, crisp outside, molten heart. Lengua, delicate, surprising, divine. Braciole, tradition rolled in red. Chateaubriand, luxury carved in silence. Surf and turf, where sea meets strength.